welcome to my channel. It's a place where you find a lot of tips and tricks for food and beauty. Today on the Beautiful Chick, we are going to be making burgers. It is International Hamburger Day. And who better to do this day with than the grill master, Unclebobbysgrill Grills. Let's do this! Alrighty guys, let's go! I will be making a SUYA burger. SUYA, yes, and I'll be using TOZO. We'll be using TOZO. Alright, let's do this.
Well, I hear it has higher amounts of iron than fish and chicken. Whoa! But hey guys, it is filled with fat. So this is the portion that doesn't have the fat. I cut that thinly and I brought this my garlic pepper confit. I made a marinade out of it and tossed it in my air fryer. While that is going on, I brought out my minced meat, added yaji, black pepper. What else did I add? I added MAGGI star seasoning cube. I quickly dashed to my garden to get dill to add to the flavor. Dill is really aromatic, guys. You should consider adding it to your seasoning. Now, you either chop it or you drop it as whole. It is better when it is chopped. Alrighty guys, let's mix all of this together and we make our patties. So I am just molding my patties by hand. I'm not a professional and I like this one chunky. So you can decide to either do the chunky portions or the really thin portions. Your choice. Now, let's see how our SUYA did in the air fryer. Look at that, look at that, look at the flavors. Oh my goodness, that's all from the fat in the TOZO. Oh my god. All right, enough said. Let's pop the other one also in the air fryer and then bring our bun. No, before the bun, I also decided to make one in the pan. So you basically do your patties like so. Minced meat do not take time. So 2 minutes on each side and it was time for my tomato.
The burger is happening here and it smells so nice.
It does.
Oh my god.
Do you want some?
Can I have some tomato
Sure.
cheese?
Do you want some burger?
Yes, I can't wait.
Okay. So let's make the first batch of these burgers for these testers. So I just sliced the onions, I prepped the lettuce, and now I'm cutting the bun. So I like to toast my bun with butter like so. And it's time to assemble everything together. This sauce is from Unclebobbys. It's called the white sauce. And basically the white sauce, lettuce, tomatoes, onions, and of course the bun that we made, the patty that was made in the air fryer, our cheese and some effizi. Then we have to make this so Nigerian. This is pepper, guys. You gotta pepper this burger. Oh my goodness, this burger was so delicious. Oh Jesus, you guys, you gotta try this recipe out and let me know in the comment section when you do.
So our burger first set of burger is ready and I think I see some people somewhere. So feel free. Feel free.
Oh my god.
See them. We are dancing because of burger.
very shameless.
Go ahead, please. Knock yourself out. Do you want me to cut it for you?
Yes, please, let's cut it.
Are you sharing? Or everybody has it? Say it now because I don't want a situation where the burger will be sweet and I'll be like,
So let's wrap this one. This one is mine. It's really nice. Tasty.
So don't forget,
Don't
today is
forget.
Hamburger Day. So International Hamburger Day. That's why you're getting free burger.
You guys said it should be every day. So come in every day. Every day.
Yeah, right.
And I literally come every day.
So guys, here's Dr. Suzuki and Chidima.
This is an event planner. You have to plan renting. Best event planner there in the world. In the entire world.
Yes.
Okay.
Copy that. Alright, go. We need to work with Uncle Bobby's. This one.
Thank you.
We'll wrap it up.
So, this is Uncle Bobby's.
And he's not feeling too well, but he did us the honors. He is gonna make burger, like the best burger. Over to you.
Some food, brother. Uncle Bobby's makes the best burger in the world. Like it or leave it. I'll give it your phone. Anyway, today we're gonna do the Uncle Bobby's burger. That's one of the kind of burger on Uncle Bobby's menu. So we start by slicing this.
While he's doing that, I am going to be doing a sunny side up. So just wait, just watch. There's a lot of burger, like variety of burgers today. Remember, it's International Hamburger Day. All right, let's do this.
So it's basically grease your pan with oil, add salt and black pepper, garnish with dill. That's it.
So I'm just gonna sit here, guys. Let's watch. Let's watch him do his magic.
So Uncle Bob is my dear brother. He's my only brother and I love him so much. He honestly makes the best burgers on earth.
So you cut this because sometimes when you have the whole leaf, it's kind of difficult when you have a bite and then you have to draw the whole leaf of lettuce. But when you dice it like this, it makes it just perfect for you. Every bite comes out with its own kind of lettuce and you enjoy your burger basically. Nicely sliced. I love tomatoes, so
Cool J on the
Every day we dey born, money don dey flow. Na me dem dey call, make am forward the call. Party time don start. Oya come and collect the cocoa.
Okay. So I like to be a little bit dramatic with mine. Slightly burnt, but hey, it's fine. It's gonna be crunch. And it's Uncle Bobby. Alright.
A lot of you think this yolk isn't cooked. Guys, it is properly cooked. Sunny side up. I love it.
Well, that's all I have for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for celebrating International Burger Day with me and Uncle Bobby's. Please like the video. Leave me a comment or two. Let me know how you enjoyed this video. What do you think I could have done differently? And consider subscribing if you haven't. And for my returning subscribers, thank you so much. And if you're just seeing this video for the first time, I'm Abraxon Evelyn, the beautiful chick. I love you.